What's the meaning of cambric? Cambric. Cambric.
Cambric. Cambric. Cambric is a type of lightweight and fine cotton fabric that originated in the French region of Cambrai. It is known for its smooth texture, softness, and excellent breathability. The fabric is often used for making clothing, particularly undergarments, as well as handkerchiefs and napkins. Cambric's compact weave and high thread count make it durable and strong, and it can be easily dyed and printed with intricate patterns. Overall, cambric is a versatile fabric that is highly valued for its quality and comfort.